Hi, we're here with the HOTBIN Mega, a 700 litre version. We're going to look at taking the panels apart. We're also going to look at doing a 450 as well. So just quickly to say that this is obviously our test bin. We've been doing some bits and pieces. This is at 30 days. You probably wouldn't normally stop and start at this sort of time to empty out. So we've got another test bin over here that we're going to illustrate some bits and pieces. Okay, so we're going to take the panels off the top layer of the 700 first. So basically give you a ratchet strap and pull all the way around. Pull it out. We found, to be honest, to take these completely off and take them out of the way is probably the easiest thing to do. Job done. Here you're going to have to wiggle it and use a little bit of force. So put your foot in here, the panels wiggle up, so you pop it out. And then once it's popped out, then it's relatively straightforward to disassemble the panels one at a time and take them all away. I'm now going to talk you a different method, which is to basically take the whole layer off using the strap. You maybe need two people to do this, but essentially you're going to jiggle up the top layer, and then you just put your foot on the bottom, lift it up, go to the other side, and then take the whole layer off in one. Again, use two people if it's windy, etc., because it can be quite cumbersome, but it's not too heavy. Set it to one side out of the way, and then we're going to look at the base layer and taking this apart. Here's our test bin. It's at 30 days. It's composted down quite well, but you wouldn't normally take the base layer out at this stage. So what we're going to do over here is show you our test bin, which is 90 days. And in here you can see the compost is much more completed, and it's lovely and moist. Forms a nice little ball and nice and sticky in there. So we're also going to take this one apart and have a look at how we do that. So just to mention, you'll notice that this panel looks very different to the other one. It's because of the way we manufacture the demonstration units is slightly different. So don't worry about that, it's just a demonstration unit. So the belts come off in the same way. Clear that all right, out of the way. And again, just remember, the important thing is you've got to lift this panel up before you try and pull it out, because they lock together. So just give it a yank up. Okay, so once you've got it lifted up, just basically give it a tap and it'll come apart. And seal it at the other end. There we go. And what we can see here is a very different set of compost at 90 days. So it's a wonderful, beautiful layer. It's all sticky and humus. Absolutely beautiful, ready to use in the garden. So when harvesting using sharp implements like the fork, it's better to go in level like that and just avoid poking these into and creating little holes in the bottom of the base layer. So you're going to completely empty out your material, and what's going to happen is you're going to find out you've got bits in the grooves here, and it's really important that you clean these grooves out. You basically need to get a soft brush and just flick it all out. Make sure it's clean before you try and put it together. Okay, so we've been harvesting the compost from the HOTBIN Mega today, and we're now reassembling things. So we're just going to put the top layer back on. Obviously this is a 700, we've already done the bottom layer. So then just put it in place, give it a little bit of a jiggle to make sure it's settled down, all the bits and pieces lined up. And then we're going to put the lid on as well. So we're ready to start refilling it now. We'll be putting in grass waste, garden clippings from the autumn, a little bit of food waste, and just building it back up. And within a few days, as soon as we get the material back in there, we should be back up to 40 to 60 degrees and ready to go through the winter. Thanks very much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to give us a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. There'll be lots more videos coming soon. Thanks very much.